Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is actually this one. It's the new Celebrate Today magnetic board kit, or magnet board kit. And mine has just arrived, so I thought I'd have a go and build it. So let's dive in. So these are now live and available. They are crafters kits, but you don't need to be crafty to make one. I don't think I need that. So there's no stamping involved or anything like that, and it comes with everything. So this is the magnetic board that, ooh, that's clever. You can see you can hang it. Although not that I have a straight wall in my office, I have sloping ceilings, but yeah, you can hang that. And yeah, this is the magnetic part here. So let's dig everything out. There we go, Celebrate Today magnet board kit and instructions, which is good. So I haven't looked at any videos or anybody else's stuff, anything like that. So I've got, oh, nice board there. So it looks like those are backing papers. Now my office has got both of these colours in. It's got soft pink and it's got that as well, but there's also black or there's also check. So I think I'm going to go with this lovely soft green, and I'm assuming I have to pop it all open, and I've just had my nails done, so you know that's great. Let's see if I can do this with my thumb pads. See, I'm doing this without any instructions. Should I get the instructions out? Let's read those first. Oh, that just tells me how to put all of these bits together. No, that's number one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's number one, and that's number 1, 2, 3. Oh, it just slides. You don't have to take that out at all. It just slides. Oh, look, I'm going to do it. So if I get that in place first. So like I said, you don't need to be creative at all. No stamping involved. And just building, so just building and assembling. And I know some of the girls on my team have said that they are going to do alternative ideas. Look at that, that's lovely. Let's pop that out there. And yeah, they plan to do different things with their kit. So what's this? These are the clips. Yeah, so these are magnetic. That's really cool. How cool is that? So stick those on there out of the way. I know the lovely Jez, Nigeza Creates, she said that she could see these for journaling purposes. So how many of these do we get? We get 2 of these. And how do you build them then? So these are my instructions. I've got no idea how to do it. Oh, there's 2 folds there. Ah, so that it sticks out a bit, I guess. Am I doing this right? Oh, no, you've got to concertina it. You meant to make it a concertina. There we go. So you can't, there you go, you can see that there. So that makes a bit more sense. And then that bit's going to fold up. And it's all scored. And then it will, with some glue on there, that's going to stay open. That's cool. And there's another one. And I want it that side out. So I'm not going to over burnish because I do want it to pop out, because you know I want to be able to put stuff in. And that one like that. That's cool. And then, oh, there's decorations to go on. Oh, okay, let's get these built then. So I've got some tearing tape. Comes with the tape. I'm guessing it comes with absolutely everything you could possibly need. which is good. So it's a complete kit. Possibly not one I'd take on holiday, unless I was, you know, had plenty of space. I was maybe taking a car. It's not a little mini kit like, you know, our other ones, so it's going to take up space, but you know, it's one where you don't need extras. So this is great as a gift for somebody. So if you know somebody who says, oh, I'm not creative, I'm not crafty, get them one of these, and they'll have that wonderful feeling of being able to say, I made that. Because we, you know, we all love that feeling of being able to say, I made that. Particularly if somebody comes into, you know, into your house and you've got this maybe in your kitchen or in a family area, and somebody says, oh, I love that, where did you get it? And they go, I made it. Give that gift to somebody. Give that gift of I made that to somebody. Okay, so what else have we got in here? So these are looking like some. So that's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Maybe that's the packages. So number 1 has got these stickers going on by the looks of things. And so we've got different languages. German, English. Oh no, sorry. Dutch, English, German, French. So I'm going to pull out the English. Well, I probably ought to pull out French because, you know, my children are learning French right now. Some of them are anyway. And that one and that one. Okay. I'm being a very good girl. I'm doing it as it says, except I put mine the other way around. And yeah, you can use your artistic license. You don't have to stick to... Oh, is there a bit that meant to go to the bottom? There is. Oops. Let's just peel that up. Put that bit along the bottom. Oh, in a wibbly line. It's handmade. Oopsie daisy. So that's that. And then big flowers. And we're going to go with this one. That one. And then it says, love this life. And I do love my life. Kind of about there. And then the next one has got... I've lost it. Oh, where's the envelope then? Under here. So this one has got the green border at the bottom. Let's see if I can get this in a straighter line. That's better. And that big circle. And you've got this. Oh, and the butterflies, they're pretty. Oh, they're on this one. They're very lovely. Okay, and then number 3 is, I'm guessing one of these. Is this one of these cards? I'm not sure. I'm looking for this. There it is. And there's another one that says Journey. Well, I would probably, if I was to do this for our family, because you see those are date cards. So journaling and then date, so that's a month. Journaling and blank, that's another month view, and just notes. So that is the same as that one with checks. Shopping list and notes. Cute and a list. Cute and a list. That's the things to do. That's just very pretty. That's another list of 10 things. I am a funny thing. So I don't want that colour either. I never write more than a few things on a list. So if I've got a to-do list going on, I write 3 things on it, or 5 at the absolute most. I'm looking for more green ones. So my to-do list will have no more than 5 things on it. There's another one with green on it. Yeah, I'll have no more than 5 things on my list of stuff to do. And yeah, I'm a little bit finicky about that. So I mean, that's not, you know, I'm not going to be putting on I'm not going to, which ones do I want? Yeah, I'll go with that one. Happiness is a journey. It absolutely is. And I'm going to put that on there. So yeah, I'm not going to put down do the laundry, or you know, bring the laundry downstairs, because that would be part of it. And so I won't write down the minutiae of everything that I do, but I will write down small detail. Where did the butterflies go? There's a green one there. Yeah, so I will write 5 things that I need to do. So these lists are a little bit on the big side, but that's okay. We can do it. What am I putting on here? So there's all of these, and I'm going to put grateful on, I think. Yeah, so my list wouldn't be, you know, if it was tidying the kitchen, for example, if that was on my list of stuff to do, I wouldn't write down, you know, tidy pots, wash up, wipe up, put away, because that would just all come under the same thing. So yeah, that's me. So my lists are, oops, very small, not huge lists. What am I looking for? Flowers, or shall I, yeah, I'm going to put little diddy flowers one. 2, 3, and then you start assembling and putting stuff on. So I'm just kind of getting an idea and flinging everything around, and I've lost the one. Oh, there it is. And you just change them up, I guess. It's very clever. And then add to it. So I could take a note. So my 5 things, I don't know what my 5 things would be. And let me get mint macaron. Gosh, what would my 5 things be to do? Let me do a family one. So homework check. I can't even think. Bake cakes. Movie night. I don't know. Anyway, more things, and so pop that in there. You could do positive affirmations or something. Let me find another one to write on. Ooh, look, you could have that list of 10 things. Or you could even just take one of these. I've lost all my stickers. I launched them. Celebrate. Oh, look, today's a new day. Put that up there. And dream. With a little bunch of flowers going off. It's going to go in there. And just add them to it. And that's lovely. That is really sweet. That's so cool. And there's loads left over. There's those two. What's the other one? There's the other one. That's a very plain one, which is good. Yeah. Little hearts and flowers, and then still loads of these cards, and you can change up the colours as well, so you could switch it out. I wonder if that does slide. No, it doesn't slide out, so you do have to detach it. And then very nice. Or as Jez is going to do, a totally alternate build. I think she's, yeah, journaling, I'm sure, is what she said she was going to do. Look, I've got room for more. Let me see if I can fit 6 on here. Probably can. Maybe I would just put a sticker on that. Let me find a flowery sticker. Just a little flowery sticker. I love that. That is so much fun. Oh, perfect for you. Great to gift. Stock up and start dishing them out as birthday presents. Seriously. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.